Does reducing your monthly mortgage payment without the hassle of refinance sound like an amazing idea to you? If so, I have an answer for you, and it's called a recast. A recast is done after you've closed your home loan, and if you have a large sum of money that you want to pay towards your principal balance later on, usually it's a minimum of $5,000, but it depends on your lender's guidelines, then the lender will take that money, apply it to your principal balance, and then do your monthly payments, which will drop. So in the long run, you can pay your principal balance off faster. You may save a little bit more interest on that as well. Remember, doing a recast is not a refinance, so it will not reduce the term or the rate of your loan, but it does cost a little less, about $200 to $500 to do a recast. We as a lender would like to know ahead of time if you're planning on recasting ever, because we can put that in your initial loan that there will be a recast later on down the road. So when you're thinking recast, say you're coming into an inheritance, or you're selling another home, or in the future you're going to come into some sort of money, then you can let us know ahead of time. If you don't know that and all of a sudden it just happens, then you can do a recast as well on most loans. They're not available on government loans, but they are on conventional and probably some non-QM loans. You just have to see what your lender says about the type of loan that you have. But if you're interested in doing this in the future, before you finish your loan and close it, talk to your loan officer and see if it's even an option, because you always want to know going into it if that's an option for you in the future. You always want to know what all your options are, whether it's refinance, recasting, paying off early, anything. Always ask your lender. Don't get surprised.